What's up, guys? In today's video, I just wanted to show you what a Casablanca Wilderness looks like without the standard downlight. And let me tell you, it does not look pretty. Instead of having the beautiful rustic downlight, instead you have this weird little, I don't know what to call it. It's like a spiral of some sort that doesn't even resemble wilderness. Maybe it's like an ancient symbol or something. I really don't know. But I don't like it this way, and neither should you. But I'm just doing this video because I'm gonna take this down and put the fray up. And some of you were curious as to what the wilderness without downlight looks. Without further ado, I'm just going to turn it on. As you can see here, the uplight, even though I'm not pressing anything, has a little bit of light because the current isn't evenly distributed. Y'all know in the past this fan had problems with, the uplight wasn't able to turn on by itself. I can't seem to get that uplight portion off. However, I can make it brighter by pressing this. And here it is on full brightness. Kind of reminds me of one of those Vaxel lighting fans. The self-dimming option is kind of weird because of this weird setup where the current isn't evenly distributed with the uplight and downlight, and so the uplight automatically stays on. It'll just stay on for a little bit. And then factory speeds with low speed, and here is VersaTouch 2. I didn't show it when I demonstrated the wilderness the other time. Also, if you add this part on, it seems to make a scraping noise. So, I guess Casablanca really didn't want you to put that little piece on, and trust me, it only gets louder. Medium. That's definitely not a pleasant noise, especially for a Casablanca fan. Yeah, this is just pleasant. This is what I want to hear when I'm sleeping in my bed or chilling in my sunroom. Yeah, sounds great. High speed. I can't imagine what this will sound like. Oh, Jesus Christ. Please don't let this thing spark or do anything stupid. Well, it's not pretty, folks. If you want your wilderness to sound as bad as this, put that spiral on. I've had enough of this. In conclusion, don't put that spiral piece if you have a Casablanca Wilderness or Seacoast. Otherwise, this happens. The downlight will save you from all your troubles, folks. And that's going to be it for the video.